In light of the growing incidence of crime across Meghalaya, the civil society group KSUPB7T has announced a public meeting to be held on the 24th of September at Mulki Ground, Shillong to mobilize collective action against criminal activities in the state. The decision was taken during a meeting of the group's members on the 20th of September at Shillong Club, which was attended by Chairman Kermen Langyuria, spokesperson Thomas Pasa and other key members. The meeting was convened to discuss the rising crime rate and its impact on the society and stability of the community. Speaking to the media, Kermen Langyuria and Thomas Pasa expressed serious concern over what they described as a disturbing increase in criminal activities, calling it a threat to public order. They appealed to all sections of society, including community leaders, educators, political organizations, and concerned citizens, to join the upcoming public gathering. According to the organizers, the 24th of September event aims to send a strong message of condemnation to criminal elements and to push for a united effort to eradicate crime from the state.
Jong ri te bertu blai ke ek ba in le ba in pentikna ba kini ki chatting ja ki wala penchong seri khlong ki khna ki long kumi ki rangba ya baro kno song kumno in le nakaleng ka jongi nakadaw nakaleng ka jongi hati meeting ila simi ko garai ba nakaleng jong ka sur upai ba ngin pelong ya ko ga jingalang pai ba hang the maran malki ha ka arp sautarik jong uni ubnai ya kejialang on sedang nadu ko por khadui baji but kat jing thmu jo ni kejialang kritang gawe ba dakasur ka ba jam tang dakasur jo ka jai benre bai min penrem ya kum kini ki jing jia kanang ba kiu no ki brio ki ba le ya kum kini ki kam transnam kin don kajing Sept ngakiru kani kajing jia kumkini ki jing jia bela jia la katu an Islam hong sotu kam dei ye tangka kamram jong sarkar ada kajing kali kami upai bak kai bu upai bak uhaban le kumnong in simkian ban ngimla syuti ban susah ban up yang saya no on siapa ni sakan not lagi min sim ngin up syab ngin le ye te kani kajing lang kadi kata kajing tumu ban ngin sa airu ki jing thok jong ni lara don kam show governor siapa ka state government ka jongi kenang ba nakaleng ka jongi kipai ba nakaleng ka sarkar mat baro state holder ngin penting kena tang gawe ba kini ki kam thambor ki bendo jat but ni kermen ba kipai ba hi karakut kapor bangan ladang isong tang hayeng tang lamba ka whatsapp ngimla ban pendo jat ikine kaji Sept nga jongi dikata ngimla syo bar kajing poor state kini kam kalau ngobak isar kaya dua tak tahu lakdon kalau ada kapor yang ni bangin mi lagi WhatsApp ke jongi bangin yawan lang dakamet ban peni kata kajing sokia ke jongi ban hak ni kajing lang ngila sim garai begin wer ya barok kiseng san himasima ya barok ki noilam seng barang yu per ki nongelam niam bat ki kan hon ki babun ba
bahoi ninumla ban penpoi lada kat kabangila lada kade bangin penpoi ling baga social media kata ke WhatsApp ya ka bang kumbala ong ba Thomas bangin kerpat ipi ban mi na ke WhatsApp sungo piang ya ka kata kade ke jing kerpat red ke jongi ba kumjuru nomar ha kaningi khot kerpat red bat kinong penya skul lu long bakin wan amar ba kani kumbala keren ba kam dei bandai tang kasur jong wei simbet ne jong wei galong yeng ne de ka de kasur jong pai ba hi ba de ban pensngo ya kini kiri thang snam ba ken ya ka kam ka buman ka ba pile mar mentau pai ba hi unmi chakmat ban penrem pi bat ban yele ban pendu ja ya kini ki jingja ka taling ba bangin ai pat ka jing trelang ya ka sarkar jela kentup ya ka tanat pulet pakiru aliskin yo eta ka bor ban chimkhia ban trei kat kum kar kom ka baki gide ban trei kumbala pen kup boriki